Problem number 32, Wastewater Collection Math Book from SewerGeek.com. If a pump outputs 450 GPM against a total dynamic head of 600 feet, and the pump is 78% efficient, what is the brake horsepower? Before we go any further, we'll just take a look at this 450 gallons per minute. It's not a giant pump, but it's decent size. But it's lifting 600 feet. It's highly unlikely that we can do that with a 1 or a 4 horsepower pump. So it's probably B or D. Let's figure out why. Our formula that we're going to use is water horsepower equals GPM times total dynamic head over 3960. So let's throw the numbers in there. 450 GPM times 600 feet of head. If this gave 20 feet of lift and 400 feet of, or a suction lift and 400 feet of head pressure, you'd add them together to get total dynamic head, but they're nice enough to do that for us. And then we go divided by 3960, and we're not going to forget that it's 78% efficient. So I'll go 450 times 600 divided by 3960. That's going to give me 68.2 horsepower. Okay, so let's take a quick look at what we got here. We've got our pump, or our motor, and our pump. And we're saying our water horsepower is 68.2 horsepower. That's what that is from over here. Our pump is 78% efficient. We don't have any numbers on the motor, and it just wants the brake horsepower, which is the same as motor output horsepower or shaft horsepower. Brake horsepower. Well, 68.2 is the water horsepower. The brake horsepower is going to be more than 68 because we're going to lose 78. We have a 78% efficiency, so we're going to lose 22%. So that's going to be higher. Well, it's not D, then the answer is going to be B. And let's take a look. 68.2 divided by 0.78 efficiency divided by 0.78, that's going to give me 87.4 horsepower. That is B.